Got a 96 Landcruiser in the shop. Pretty clean Landcruiser. It's getting a 2 to 3 inch Old Man Emu set up. We got everything, front and rear shocks, stabilizer, front and rear panhard bars, track bars. We got the lower links, upper links for the rear. All new bushings for the front radius arms. So we got the Old Man Emu castor bushings, and then just some factory bushings or some Dorman replacement bushings for the axle. For the frame side of the radius arm. And then got all new springs, coil springs. Sorry. Went with the 2851s on the front and 2860s on the rear. Supposed to be just the medium duty, a little bit longer, so it shouldn't affect the ride. It's supposed to be the same softness, just a little bit longer to get the 2 to 3 inches. So we also got all new tie rod ends and all the steering ends from 555 from Yotamasters. Supposed to be the best steering joints you can buy for them. Supposedly come from Japan, just like came on from the factory. So get this all installed and show you a finished picture of it. Going with BF Goodrich KO3s, like a 33 inch tall for it. So should be a pretty good setup once it's done. All right, we got the axle lowered down, springs and shocks out. We're about to go in and remove all these links and replace them one side at a time so the axle doesn't get away from us. All right, we got our upper link bars set just a little bit longer than factory. And they're both set to the same lengths, and the jam nuts are just hand taught, so we can lengthen them or shorten them the same rotation so that the rear end doesn't get moved side to side. And then we'll check the pinion angle with an angle finder and set the final pinion angle and length of the bars once we get everything back on the ground. There's the new springs are in, upper links, lower links in. Nothing's tight, so we can put the weight of the vehicle down on it, tighten everything, get the pinion angle set, and then we'll tighten our jam nuts. All right, got everything in, swapped out, the new track bar on, upper links, springs, lower links. See if we can get it all. New shocks. And we will set it on the ground and get the pinion angle right and set the jam nuts. Got the new BF Goodrich KO3s on some factory Toyota wheels. Customer wanted kind of a factory look, went a little bit bigger. These are the new all-terrain pattern, 295, 75, 16. So it's like a 33.5 by 11.5. All right, got the new bushings in, new rear bushings too. One of them was blown out, making a lot of noise. These are offset. So I made a little jig using the old one, marked the plumb line on it. I lined everything up, so it should be riding new, good as new now. All right, so everything's back in. New shocks, springs, track bar. All new steering ends, bushings, everything's ready to go. Alright, so the Landcruiser's finished up, 1996. Put a 2 to 3 inch Old Man Emu lift kit on it, leveling kit, plus bigger tires, went with 295, 75, 16 BF Goodrich. Between the tires and the lift, came up 4 inches in the front, 4.5 in the back. It's about 1 inch higher in the back right now.